In this video, I will show how to fix and repair broken search in Windows 11 or 10. Open Task Manager. Now click on Run New Task. Type here CMD. Check this box. Create this task with administrative privilege. Then click on OK. Now here type this command sfc /scan now. Then press enter and complete this scanning. Otherwise it will take a couple of minutes. And once this complete up to 100%, copy and paste this second command line. I will give in description, so copy and paste and press enter. And also guys, complete this scanning. So once this complete, second one command, so exit and restart your system. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.